Hey guys, welcome back to Ari POV, and today we're gonna go over some things that I purchased from Amazon from Prime Day. Now I didn't get a lot of things because it wasn't nothing that I really was interested in, and I was like, let me go ahead and shoot this video so that y'all know what's going on. So this channel is my point of view. It's a learning channel. It's a beginner's channel. I don't really get into doing nails as a manicurist unless you're natural. I am more of let's do pedicures. So mostly you'll see me do pedicures. Every now and then I do reviews on different products, and then y'all know my girl Tiffany right here, she is my model when I don't have a live client. So yeah, pretty much. So I just want to come to you today and let you know I do have a company. It's called Ari Infinite, and I personally came with my hands a little crusty so y'all can see how well the product works. So this is our body cream shea butter. If you go on our website, you can get it in any scent that you want. So we have replicas of high-end perfumes and colognes, and this is just for dry skin and smelling purposes. So if you have dry skin, it's going to help that out. It's going to have you with a glow, shimmer, shine, and you're gonna smell good as well. And then on top of that, we have a body scrub, which you see me use on pedicures a lot. So this helps with dry skin, dead skin. It buffs it off, so it gives a nice nourishing shine to it, and it smells absolutely wonderful once you get out the shower. And this is my top seller when people come to purchase things. And that's what you see when I actually do pedicures, and I just want to let y'all know that. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, and this is what it looks like. So it's between a whipped and a solid. You can get it in lotion or you can get it in shea butter, and a little bit goes a long way. So this is a lot that I got on my hand. I'm gonna take some off of there, and I'm gonna rub it in because y'all, my hands was ashy, and I was like, I'm gonna come on here and show them how wonderful my shea butter is. So if you're into shea butter, a little bit goes a long way. Like I said, it helps with dry skin. It's not oily, but it leaves you with a nice shine. And then on top of that, we have high-end smell, so you can mix it with whatever scent you're looking for, and guess what, you're gonna smell absolutely wonderful. So make sure you go on our website. It's www.ariinfinite.com, and go in there and pick out a scrub, or you can do the whipped shea butter or lotions. We also have roll-ons, so if you're ever interested in that, go over there and check that out. But let's get into what I got from Amazon, as y'all know I like to call it. And when you ever see a brown box, you know where it's coming from. So I end up picking up a couple products from Amazon that I want to try out. Some of them I haven't used in a long time, and others I'm like, listen, let's figure out what we're gonna do. So I had ordered this IBD heart gel. I have purchased this at Sally's, and also I purchased at the nail supply store. So I'm going to show y'all a little journey when I go in there, when I eventually get there. And this is really good. A lot of my natural girls like me to do this for their hands, and they use this as well. So I'm going to be doing a video on doing a overlay by using this, and it's very simple and easy. To have multiple colors, so I was like, let me pick up one of those. I got some Beetle 6-color gel polish kit, and this one is called Bundleless Energy. So I'm not gonna open it yet because we're gonna be doing a review on this, and I'm gonna be talking to y'all and letting y'all know what this is about. So I'm trying to make sure my light is like in the right angle so y'all can see. Yeah, so we're gonna go over this as well, and it's the Beetle gel polish. So the packaging is cute, I like that, and this is the Bundleless Energy, so we're gonna see what that's all about. So then next I got some rhinestone glue, nail art collection. This is that glue everybody uses when they are putting rhinestones on, or if they're using it for like the pop, the 3D. So I got some of this because I never have tried that design, so I'm gonna try that out with y'all on the hands, and if I get someone with some pretty feet, because normally the feet that I work on they're more like they need help so they normally don't get no polish, but my toes is cute. I'm gonna show y'all my toes one day. Y'all gonna be like, oh girl. And then next I got this Builder Nail Gel Kit, rich in creatine, vitamin E, B5. I don't know about all that, but we're gonna check it out. It says repair and strengthen and protect nails. So I told you I do a lot of natural people nails, and one of my top products that I like to use is that ASP builder. And it's very simple and easy to use. If you never used it, I'm gonna have to do a video. I think I got a video. I have a video on here, and I'll do another video again once, you know, people start coming to my channel, getting popular. But this is another kit that I bought that is helpful with natural nails, because everybody wants to grow their nails out. On my hand right now, I have an overlay, and I had this design, abstract design, and I'm into the abstract design right now. So I'm gonna end up taking this off and showing y'all something different, but this is an overlay. But a lot of people now are allergic to like the powder and the monomer and stuff they have going on, and they want something more natural. So this is something really cute. And it has all the instructions in the back, and it tells you how to use it and what to do and what not to do. So we're gonna check that out as well, and this is gonna be part of a video as also. And if you are a nail tech, you know for a fact you need some files. So I like to use the 80/80 grit. The popular ones is 80/100, but the 80/80 grit is best for me. It's for shaping, filing down, and it gets the job done. So half of these I will actually cut in half, and then the other half I'll just leave long. I cut them in half because I use them on people's feet, and these are disposable. You should not be reusing these over, especially if you're working with somebody's feet that just, you don't know how cleanliness they are, because I clean your feet before you come. But I always give my clients their products that they can take home with them, like the file, the toe separators, the orange stick, all that, because they can do this at home for themselves, and I don't reuse it on anybody. So normally I cut these in half with my saw. So yeah, I just got the 80/80 because I love the 80/80, and them are the things that I purchased from Amazon. So again, we have the file, so let's go back and do a rewind. We're going to be using this for a video. It's a builder nail gel kit, and you can order off the Amazon. We also went and got us some polish from Beetles. It's the 6-color gel polish, so I ordered that as well for Prime. And then I'll order the rhinestone glue off of Prime as well. Let's see if that's gonna fit in there. Okay. And then I ordered the IBD hard gel as well from Prime. So this is what I ordered when it came, and I'm very happy with that order. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you the polishes that I ordered that came the day after Prime. So give me just a second. Alright guys, so this is going to be a video coming up because I want to use these. These are the vivid color changing temperature polishes. So it says colorful cocktail. I don't even know why they don't have it on here. So I got this from, where's the company? Because it's not telling me. Oh my god. Oh, Model 1. So this is Model 1 color changing polish. A video will be coming out soon because I want to use it. They give you 6 colors in here, and the packaging is very well. So I kind of missed this on Prime, and then I was like, oh my god, I need to go back and get this. So yeah, they have like a scan thing right here, and these are the Model 1 color changing gel polishes. So we're going to try these out, and I think this is going to be my next on my hands or my toes, maybe my toes, because I am going on vacation. So I want my toes to look cute in the water. So this is the items that I purchased from Amazon, and we're going to be having videos coming out soon. So if you are interested, make sure you, let's see if we can do like a little box. Okay, make sure you check out the videos that are coming soon so that you won't miss out on any of the products that I have in my box. Okay, so until next time, I will see y'all, and then we can just pick on which items. But I think this is going to be next. We're going to do the color changing, and then the builder gel, and then these vivid colors, and we're going to do some artwork. So I'll catch y'all next time. I hope you like my videos and you stay tuned and you start subscribing, because over here we're going to test out a lot of different products. We are the beginner channel for the beginners, so we can learn together. And if you like something, let me know.